The Apple Watch Series 5 appears to be a solid update to the company's smartwatch lineup. Over the years, Apple has slowly been fixing the limitations of the Apple Watch, and this time it's added an always-on display, which fans have been wanting to see for years now. We got a chance to check out the Apple Watch Series 5 at the Steve Jobs Theater in Cupertino right after the iPhone 11 launch event ended, and here's your first look at the smartwatch.
The Apple Watch Series 5 looks similar to the Series 4 and it's available in two size variants, 40mm and 44mm. The highlight of this device is its always-on display, a first for the Apple Watch lineup. Apple claims that in spite of the display being always on, the battery of the Series 5 remains the same, which is 18 hours. In our experience, this means that you need to charge the Apple Watch once every 2 days on the GPS variant and at the end of each day with the cellular variants. While the Apple Watch is a smartwatch, its biggest fans are fitness enthusiasts. Just like the Series 4, Apple Watch Series 5 is swim-proof, can track multiple workouts such as running, swimming or yoga, and it has an electrical heart rate sensor along with an optical heart rate sensor. The electrical heart rate sensor is used to take ECG readings. As for the internals, the Series 5 is powered by Apple's new 64-bit dual-core S5 processor and a W3 wireless chip for connectivity. It has 32GB of onboard storage in case you want to store music, audiobooks or podcasts on the watch. There's a new built-in compass as well. Apple Watch Series 5 ships with watchOS 6, which adds a full-fledged app store to the Apple Watch apart from activity trends, a new noise app to measure environmental sound levels, and the ability to let women track their menstrual cycles. The starting price of the Apple Watch Series 5 is 40,900 rupees for the GPS variant and 49,900 rupees for the cellular variant, which has an eSIM. The new Apple Watch will be available in India from September 27th, just like the new iPhone models. So that's it for our first look at the Apple Watch Series 5. What do you think about this product? Let us know via the comments. And